Dementor pasta, a chocolate snitch, a smoothie potion, and a Deathly Hallows pizza? We welcome you to taste creative food recipes from the magical world of Harry Potter. Check out these Potterheads, Blondie McGonagall and Jessica Longbottom. Their dream finally came true. They are at the magical restaurant called Table 9 3/4, and they're bragging about their favorite things from the world of Harry Potter. Where is the waiter? The owner of the restaurant comes up to the guests. It's Severina Snape. The service in this restaurant is truly magical. The girls regret coming here without magic wands. Severina mysteriously disappears. But a welcome drink appears on the table. This must be a Felix Felicis cocktail. Pour some Sprite into a glass. Dissolve gold edible pearl powder in it. Cut out a printed Felix Felicis potion label and attach it to the glass. The guests are deciding who will be the first to try the cocktail. Blondie McGonagall is a brave magician. Don't be afraid. This cocktail is made out of a good luck potion. Whoever drinks it will have amazing luck for the rest of the day. Let's try it out. Blondie wins 3 times in a row. That's amazing! Jessica also wants to taste it. It worked! The friends fight over the magic potion. Each girl wants to sip more liquid luck. Severina calms the guests down just in time by casting a stunning spell, and she takes their luck away from them. Thank God that this spell doesn't last long. Phew! Jessica Longbottom is bragging about her scarf, and Blondie McGonagall about her new Gryffindor tie. Just take a look at how wonderful these stripes are. But Severina is unhappy. Only food is allowed to be on the table of her magical restaurant. One swing of the magic wand and the tie turns into a sandwich. Cut a baguette to be the same shape as a tie. Cut it in half. Spread butter over both halves. Add some ham and sliced cherry tomatoes. Put in lettuce and slices of cheese. And cover it with the other half. Use ketchup and mustard to make a striped pattern on the crust. What a twist! An edible tie is a brilliant idea. Severina instantly turns her magic wand into a knife and cuts the Wunder Sandwich. Bon appetitus, my dear guests! Severina just can't resist this delicious sandwich. The girls got bored while waiting for the new dish, and they didn't even notice that Severina Snape magically disappeared. Ha! I will have to do it again! There you go! That's way better! Severina amazes everyone with her magic once again. Jessica, wait! And the next dish is dedicated to the Deathly Hallows. Well, one Hallow is the stone. Another one is the cloak and the wand. Get the Deathly Hallows pizza from our menu. Cut a triangle out of a ready pizza crust. Cover it with tomato sauce. Chop a tomato into slices. Cut up half of a bell pepper. Slice mushrooms. Cut slices of ham diagonally. Place the ingredients onto the pizza. Ham, mushrooms, bell pepper, and tomatoes. Sprinkle it with grated cheese. Use rings of olives to create the Deathly Hallows symbol. Bake it in an oven. Blondie wants to have the entire pizza for herself. It's always the same issue with these Deathly Hallows. You won't get them all. Blondie McGonagall, you have to share the Deathly Hallows pizza. The girls are in the mood for an unusual dish. They came up with a recipe and try to explain it to Severina. She's at a loss. Holy Dumbledore, what do these visitors want? Well, all right, I will make a magical dish for you. Crumple foil. Shape it into a spiral and wrap it in another layer of foil. Put a little bowl onto the coaster you get and cover its side with foil. Make it look like a potion pot. Attach a foil rim on top. Take the bowl out. Wrap the piece in one more layer of foil. Paint it black. Apply gold acrylic paint with a dry brush. Put the bowl in it. Pour in some banana kiwi smoothie. Decorate it with white breakfast cereal. Severina puts the pot with the magical smoothie onto the table. It's time to taste this exclusive recipe. The guests try the yummy dish. It seems like something went wrong. It turns out that this is the new formula of the legendary Polyjuice potion, and the girls swap bodies. Wow! Oh my god! It looks like this smoothie was spoiled. Help! Severina Snape is happy. Her prank worked, but she will return her visitors back to their bodies. We'll use our favorite Mandragora root to cure them. Attach a printed Mandragora label to a flower pot. Put a chocolate muffin into the pot. Cut off the top. Crumble the muffin to make it look like soil. Add some brown food coloring to white fondant. Knead it and shape a ball. Make imprints with a cocktail straw and a wooden stick. Create a mandrake face. Make a hole at the top with a skewer and put in spinach leaves. Use a toothpick to attach the mandrake to the muffin. Be careful with the mandrake, my dear guests. It screams. Each girl eats a leaf of its antidote. And a miracle happens. The spell is broken. The girls are gossiping about muggles, but all of a sudden, they see something. Oh, it's a Dementor! Severina, help! Stop screaming, my dear guests. There is only one way to overcome your fears. Eat some magical pasta and face the Dementor. Cook squid ink pasta in salted boiling water. Lightly fry some chopped onion. Put in cut mushrooms. Fry them together until they turn golden. And pour in some cream. Add a few drops of black food coloring and salt to taste. Mix it in a blender. Combine the pasta and the sauce. And shape a Dementor on a plate. Well, let's start! This pasta looks frightening. Each girl eats a piece of the Dementor. Wow! It tastes pretty nice. The girls finish the dish and feel a boost of energy, and they aren't afraid of anything anymore. Don't even dare approach us, Dementor! The girls are talking about Severina Snape. She looks so self-important and pretentious, you'd think she swallowed Hedwig. Well, all right, they won't get away with laughing at me. Severina prepared a sweet Howler. Sprinkle a silicone mat with flour. Add food coloring to ready pastry. Roll it out and cut a diamond. Put white chocolate chips in the middle. Sprinkle with shredded coconut. Fold it into an envelope. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for half an hour. Bake the envelope for 10 to 15 minutes at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Paint a Howler face on the envelope when it cools down using chocolate glaze. The girls are sharing the Howler. There you go! Oh! Ouch! So much yelling! Severina wrote down everything she thinks about her visitors in this dessert. So many loud words! Blondie knows that the only way to stop the Howler is to eat it. Mmm! So delicious! Severina is telling us all about her Hogwarts adventures, how she became a Quidditch champion and got the cup. You don't believe me? Then Severina shows them the proof. Let's start with a sweet Snitch. Crumble a sponge roll. Shape a ball. Dip a skewer into melted chocolate and stick it into the ball. Put it into a fridge for 15 minutes. Dip the hardened ball into melted white chocolate and put it into a fridge again. Place parchment paper onto printed Snitch wing templates. Trace the wings with hot chocolate. Cool them down for 5 minutes. Cover the ball and the wings with gold edible pearl powder. Make 2 holes in the ball with a knife. Attach the wings using melted chocolate. Wow! That's a real golden Snitch! Jessica Longbottom gets it! She could never even have dreamed about such a thing. Plus, it's very tasty. This is a chocolate victory! Blondie McGonagall also wants a Quidditch gift. Easy peasy! Severina Snape conjures a souvenir licorice broom right away. Wipe scissors with rubbing alcohol. Cut a licorice stick lengthwise and cut it in half. Take out the filling. Cut licorice into thin strips. Break a breadstick. Attach the licorice to it using edible glue. Shape a broom. Tie a thin candy ribbon around the licorice pieces. Coat the ends of the licorice pieces with edible glue and press them together with your fingers. How cute is that? You can easily eat this broom or arrange some toy flights. Thanks, Severina! Now we know what Quidditch tastes like! Did you like our magical recipes? Then write in the comments what dish from the Harry Potter universe you will cook for your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new Harry Potter ideas on Troom Troom.